Alright, so here we are with the Karma Grip. I'm in a bathroom, so it's a little echoey, but we're going to test if there's any motor noise that's coming into the camera from the gimbal itself. This is the Hero 5. I'm on 4K 30 with wide. No other ProTunes settings are enabled. So let's listen. So here I am outside. We're going to do the same test, but now with a little more outside noise and ambient noise. Maybe it'll change, because we did hear a little bit of the motor in a completely quiet setting. So let's see what we hear outside. Okay, so this time we're going to do less drastic and sudden movements just to test noise, and we're going to do some as if I was using it normally, running or walking around, and see if we can hear the motor noise that way without so many sudden movements. Alright, so here we go. Alright, this is the final test where it's the same as the one we previously did, where it's just normal movements as if you're a normal user using the gimbal, but this time in an inside environment so there's less outside noise involved. So, let's give it a listen.